Welcome to Interior Design Radio channel. Elevate your living space with the perfect blend of style and functionality through chic and practical, comfortable designs that are set to enhance your home. These exquisite pieces of furniture not only serve as focal points in their living rooms, but also offer a seamless integration of aesthetics and utility. Picture elegant lines, innovative shapes, and premium materials converging to create a coffee table that complements your interior decor effortlessly. From minimalist design to those who integrate it with integrated solution storage. Each piece is crafted to meet the demands of modern living while adding a touch of sophistication. Immerse yourself in the versatility of these coffee tables. Whether you prefer a contemporary look or a more timeless appeal with a focus on both form and purpose, these tables are not just decorative but also functional, providing the perfect surface for relaxation, entertainment, and personal expression. Transform your living space into a stylish heaven with these comfortable designs that seamlessly merge function and practicality. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.